Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing my top 5 must-haves for speed cleaning your house, and you're gonna speed clean with me. My must-haves are my tidy tote, my dirty 30 checklist, my apron, my one product wonder, and of course, a great audiobook. So let's get cleaning. My favorite speed cleaning daily routine is definitely this dirty 30. This is the stuff that I do every day, no matter how tired I am, no matter how unmotivated I'm feeling. It's 30 minutes, and sometimes I go a little over if I'm doing extra laundry, but generally I can always do this in 30 minutes. My kitchen is starting off super messy, as you can see. I just let it go all day, and it doesn't take long when you have a family of 5 to get really messy. So I'm starting with my tidy tote. This is just something that I use to put all the stuff that doesn't belong. So I'm getting stuff off the counters that doesn't belong in the kitchen, things I've left around, my kids have left laying around, clothing. It's crazy pants. And then I jump right in to doing the dishes and cleaning the kitchen.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Even though I love having a one product wonder, I'm really disinfecting the sink way more often than I usually do, and I love Fantastic with bleach. But for everything else, I'm using the one product wonder. I like either a Method, a homemade, or a Mrs. Meyer's because it can be used on all surfaces. I'm going to put a link down below to my homemade recipe that I use, but I'll also put a link to both the Method glass cleaner and the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner that I love to use as my one product wonder. Every surface, safe for wood, stone, and even streak-free glass.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
I know I say this all the time, but I love my spray mop so much. It's just so fast. It's perfect for laminate floors. I don't even own an old-fashioned mop and bucket anymore. I'm doing a quick dust in this living room before I give it a quick speed mop.
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
I'm using my Fantastic with bleach again for the toilet and for inside my shower, but I'm using my one product wonder for all the other surfaces in both of my bathrooms. I just use a new rag after, of course, I've cleaned the toilet and around the floor. I get rid of that rag, I wash it, make sure I wash my hands, and get a fresh, new clean rag for the next bathroom.
You set my world on fire.
Usually my kids always make their own beds, but it's back to school and they're getting up really early. Everybody's routine is a little bit off. So I am going ahead every morning and making their beds really quickly. Not Izzy's, she's 14, but the other two, I am being nice mom, and making their beds so that they have a fresh, clean bedroom to come home to when they come home from school. I know, they should be making their own beds, but we're going to ease back into it.
Wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want want what's best for you.
If you want to give my Dirty 30 speed cleaning routine a try in your own home, I'm going to put a link down below where you can download this printable that will help hopefully motivate you to Dirty 30 speed clean your house today. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. If any of you had had gallbladder surgery in the past, let me know what delicious thing you can still eat in the comments below, because I mean, I love chocolate, I love chai lattes, I love fat, I love all the things that are bad for you, which is why I needed the weight loss surgery in the first place. But still, even after the weight loss surgery, I could eat those things and be fine. Without a gallbladder, this is going to be the saddest Halloween ever, because peanut butter cups and Mars bars and all the deliciousness that I steal from my children's bag when they go trick-or-treating. Are we even trick-or-treating with COVID? What's happening to the world? My world is shaken up. I'm eating salads for lunch and I am not okay. I'm actually fine. I'm fine. I'm very healthy right now. And healthy leaves a bad taste in your mouth, physically and metaphorically. That's all I'm saying. So this is what's going on with me right now. It's just fruit and vegetables for days. I'll see you guys next time.